Amazon Kitchen Favorites. This little angry mama is actually a steamer that you put in your microwave when you need to clean it. You just fill it up with some water and then some vinegar. And then all you ever do is put the lid, her hair, back on top. Put it in your microwave. You want to let it run for about 7 minutes. While it's in there, it's steaming the solution through the whole microwave. When it's done, carefully take it out because it is hot, and then wipe down your whole microwave. Every gunk and everything should come off. Super easy and smooth. You're done.